Hi guys, I finally picked up some new Hot Wheels. I got the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. This one comes in yellow. It's from the Hot Wheels Gasser series. Very, very nice in this yellow color. Looks really good. And we'll take a closer look at it in a second. And we also got the BMW 507, which looks awesome. Factory Fresh series with a little blue stripe on the side there. White with the red interior. It looks awesome. Really nice, really nice. And I also picked up the 84 Corvette, which I had not found from the 80s Hot Wheels, the 80s series. Really cool to finally pick this up in gold with the racing stripes in white and nice chrome wheels. Very, very nice. Another cool find here, the Dragon Wagon in blue, which I had never seen in blue before. I have the red one from the Xperi Motors series. A really cool Hot Wheels. Get them out of the package. Looks really, really nice. These all look so awesome. I also got the new Batmobile from the Batman series. This is a tuned Batmobile, kind of like a cartoonish look. Classic TV series Batmobile. Does have the little symbol up there as well, or the logo. And this one looks really cool as well. I almost thought it was a super because the paint looks so cool. But it's not a super treasure hunt, it's just a regular Batmobile. Very nice, but wishful thinking on my part. And the Desert Drifter, which came in green last time and now it's available in red. Sweet Rides series. There we got the cupcake on wheels for the logo. It's got the pink stripe on the card. And there it is with the Hot Wheels and the cherry on top. Nice, it looks like a Jello car. The Desert Drifter, very cool. Another awesome Hot Wheels. I also found the new Roadster bike in blue with the number 6 Hot Wheels Roadster series. The Roadster bike looking pretty nice in this blue color. I think the last one I got was either orange or red. For some reason, that's what I remember. But now they have it out in blue, and you can find this one probably now. I've had a hard time finding new Hot Wheels lately, guys. Sky Show series, I like the symbol right there for the Sky Show series, or the logo. The Eruption in new colors. This one is the one that turns into a plane. You can open the wings. There we go. And it's so cool. Very nice in yellow with a blue base this time. And the last one I found was a Manga. And this one comes in a gray color. Red interior. Looks like a green base with some red running boards on the side there. Very cool. Orange tires. Let's go ahead and look at all the little details on this one. It's got the letter K on there. Oh, by the way, it is from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series. You can see it has the yellow stripe there. Hot Wheels Art Cars, they always come with a letter on the top of the car. So here you go. Instead of the roof, you have it right on the hood. So it's the letter K. We got the little, some kind of monster on there. Is it a monster or is it an animal? I don't know. Robotic animal. Pretty cool with the letter K. Orange tires. We got the black wheels. Looks like 5 spokes. And we do have some of the green base showing through this. The base is diecast. And the top is also diecast. Oh no, man. I'm sorry. This is plastic. I thought it was diecast. I don't know. The way it was shining with the light, I thought it was diecast for a second. The Track Manga. So there it is. Track Manga. And here's the Eruption. Again, with the wings that open. This one has like the pizza wheels or the flower wheels, whatever you want to call these. It does have like a green chrome painted on there. On the black tires. Do have the metal base. This one is metal. Definitely die-cast on the base. Eruption, copyright 2017. And then up here, let me see. Looks like it has plastic in the middle. And I believe this is die-cast on top here. Yeah. Die-cast base, die-cast body. Wow. Then plastic wings, plastic turbine or engine right there. The Eruption. Pretty cool. So we got those two. We got the Roadster bike with the number 6. It's got the gray saw blades on it. Pretty cool. Number 6, Roadster Bite. Wow, it's hard to get this to focus sometimes. The number 6 in blue. It looks pretty cool. Another Hot Wheels design. And then we have the Desert Drifter in red this time. And you can see in there, if you look closely, there is a seat in there and whatever, but kind of hard to see. Big giant tires in the back and nice 5 spokes front and back. We have the Hot Wheels logo down here right under the wing, and then there's a cherry on top. Got a little of maybe some whipped cream on top, and there's the cherry with the Hot Wheels logo on the stem. That looks pretty cool. I like that. And a very cool wing back here. It does have the name of the car right there, Desert. What are you having for dessert? The Desert Drifter. And the base is plastic. It does have the pipes in plastic. And it says Desert Drifter, copyright 2022. This is a pretty new casting. Here's the Batmobile in the new green. There we go. In the new green color. It does have a stripe in blue on the wheels there, like blue chrome, against that green, metallic green body, which looks really nice. That's a really nice color paint that they use for this Batmobile. I like that they have the little pinstripes and stuff. Very nice designs. We do have that red combo there. Very cool. Kind of looks reddish. Maybe, yeah. I think it's supposed to match that red Bat logo right there. Very cool. All this is awesome. There we have the little rocket launcher. Very cool. Two parachutes back there. Very nice with those cool Batman fins. A pretty cool tuned Batmobile. The cartoon Batmobile. And here's the Hot Wheels Dragon. What do we call this one? Forgot the name. The Dragon Wagon. Yeah, Dragon Wagon. Very nice with the white wheels against the blue body. It looks great. We do have a black handle here for the wagon. This is a really cool take on the Radio Flyer, right? White wheels. Spin really nicely. We do have the metal base on this one, Dragon Wagon. Very awesome. Let me know if you collect these wagons. We do have the red one now and now a blue one. So I think there's only 2 available so far. Only 2 colors for the Dragon Wagon. It does have the number 1 there on the side. That looks really awesome. And I wonder if anybody customizes these into anything else. It does have these pipes pointing out towards the sides. Pretty nice. Very clever design on the Dragon Wagon. And then I found this nice Corvette. And let's check out the name on the Corvette. 84 Corvette. Copyright 2012 and 2020 again. It does have the 5 spokes in chrome. We do have the white stripe on the bottom. Racing stripes on the top there. There's the Corvette badge. Pop-up lights. Very cool. Those are so nice. Makes the front look so smooth. Very cool. We do have a little bit of a scoop there. The Hot Wheels logo on the fender, which is something that I'm wondering if they're going to start doing that. There was a time when they would put it back here on the glass, and then sometimes they would put it back here on the back fender. This one has it in the front fender. I wonder if that's going to be a new thing for this year. And then here's the back. No numbers or letters on the license plate. We do have the lights blacked out, kind of like a black plastic. I think it's all part of the interior there. You see there's something also back here in the way back area. There's a console, 2 seats. Pretty nice. It's a really nice Corvette. Looks pretty good. Very nice looking. I love the ones that are realistic cars. So we have the Corvette, which is a realistic one. And then we got this nice Mercedes, is it? What is this one? BMW, I'm sorry. The 507. Very cool. White stripe on the wheel. It does look like those spiderweb wheels. Don't even know what those are called, but I call them spiderweb wheels. And then we have the BMW badge up here. A really nice hood, which looks really cool with this little scoop. Pretty cool details right there. And then we do have that grille all chromed out. And the bumper's all chromed out. Pretty nice, pretty nice. It's a really nice BMW. We do have the little visors up here. And it looks like a little mirror here on the side, only on the left side. And it looks like there's a little something right there, like little windshield wipers molded in the plastic windshield. Left side drive. Very cool. No license plate on this one. No colors for brakes or anything like that. But we do have a little detail right here. Another BMW badge, and looks like maybe some vents right there. Pretty cool. There's a little something there too as well. This one's pretty nice. I'm happy to finally pick this one up because I knew it was out and I had not found it yet. But finally got it. Pretty cool. I'm missing so many cars from F-Case. Only picked up a handful. Some of these are from F-Case. Some are from D-Case. And we have the Tri-5 Terror. The Tusky fabrication. We got the Chevrolet logo back here. This gasser, it always looks cool. I have accumulated a few different colors of this one. I like that they have the Hot Wheels logo, kind of like similar to the colors that you see on the car, except not yellow. They went with the white, of course, with the yellow car. It looks cool like that. And this is the 55 gasser. And let's see, what does the card say for this one? Card is really nice too. Look at that. Oh, I love that front end. I wish they had painted in the lights there. That would have been cool. But it looks really nice. 105, the Hot Wheels gasser, and it says 55 Chevy Bel Air gasser. That's the official name right there. 55 Chevy Bel Air. It looks really nice. The Tri-5 Terror. Man, it looks cool. That's a really nice find. They only had one. I was glad that somebody left the one behind because you know it's gonna be tough to find. These gassers kind of like run out or sell quick. Let's see. Who knows? Maybe I'll find a bunch tomorrow. Never know. But I'm very happy to have seen all of these on the pegs and find them off. Got them right off the pegs. Very, very nice. Man, I'm loving it. The gasser, the BMW, and the Corvette. So nice to have some new Hot Wheels that are actually real cars. And then I got a bunch of fantasies. I got the Wagon, the Batmobile, the Desert Drifter, the Roadster Bike, the Eruption, and the Track Manga, which are pretty cool. But I love these, man. These three right here, so cool. Happy to have found all these. What a nice bunch of Hot Wheels. So let me know what's going on in your collecting world. What have you found lately? Have you had a hard time finding these new F-Case cars or the new D-Case cars? I mean, it's been tough over here finding all these cars. I'll put this one right there, the Wagon. I love that little Wagon, so cool. And let's invert the colors here. Let's do that one yellow, then blue. Then we got the Track Manga. What a cool bunch of Hot Wheels. A nice new addition to my Hot Wheels collection. This one won't stay still. Look at this. It'll back up every time. Let's put them over here. And back. They're so cool, man. I'm really happy to have finally found some new Hot Wheels. It feels like forever. Like it's been like 7 days since I even showed some Hot Wheels. Well, there we have some nice Hot Wheels. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out the new additions to the collection. Let me know what's going on in your Hot Wheels world. Don't forget, leave me a little comment. Just let me know what you bought lately or what are you looking for and which one of these is your favorite. Do you have a favorite in this bunch? Is it the gasser or that BMW, or do you like the Wagon a lot? And yeah, it's always great to hear from you guys, so I appreciate your comments very, very much. And I'm looking forward to finding more from F-Case. I really want to get like all the cool cars from F-Case, so I'm hoping that I can find them. And you never know, man. I'm telling you, distribution has been so crazy. Let me know, what case are you up to in your area? Have you found like F-Case already? Or D-Case? I mean, I think I mentioned before that I think in my area they skipped B-Case altogether, be like Bravo. And now that I found some more D-Case like Delta and F-Case, Foxtrot. Man, I'm happy to have them. I just hope I can find some more, and I'm looking forward to finding the next case as well, you know. I would like to also find some new Matchbox. I haven't found new Matchbox in a while. All right, guys. Great seeing you again. I'll see you in the next one.